Assalamu alaikum and good morning student. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So student, today our topic is animals produce babies. As you know that all animals begin their life as babies. Baby animals look like their parents when they grow up. The grown up animals are called adult. Some animals give birth to their babies. A cow with its calf, a sheep with its lamb, a tiger with its cub. Some animals lay eggs. Their baby animals hatch from eggs. Here are examples. A duckling hatches from the egg of a duck. A hen with its eggs and a chick. A tortoise with its eggs and a baby.